Yeah, I think major highlights were obviously the award and ramp up of the Corvette program, the two new Ferrari programs, and generally a big increase in the demand emerging for the technology generally. We started to see increasing profitability come through with the strengthening of our contribution margin, which was really positive, and also very positive was a remarkably good safety record for the year.
Came through well. We had $40 million of revenue, which was over 15% growth. Our average price was nearly 7% up on the previous year, which was really pleasing. And our contribution margin was strong, especially in the last quarter. So, we had $1.9 million of contribution margin. That all came through in the last quarter on the back of new volume ramps and stronger pricing. So it was really good.
It's progressing really well. So there are 3 commissioning stages for the Mega Line. The first one's well underway, and the remaining 2 will be completed by the end of this calendar year and will be in production from the beginning of next calendar year, so calendar 23.
Yeah, the Mega Line is funded. So the current phase that we're working on gets us up to 60,000 wheels of capacity. We spent about $12 million, got $6 to $7 million still to spend, and that is all funded. Investors were quite interested in our pursuit of strategic opportunities. They realise our balance sheet is constrained and we can't go after at the moment the significant growth that's ahead of us. So they were pleased that we were taking that seriously and looking at alternatives. They were interested in the type of alternatives, the type of strategic partners, but are pleased that we're actively pursuing that.
It really comes down to the acceleration of the OEMs towards electric vehicles and electrifying their fleets. So the fact these vehicles are getting very heavy, at the same time they want larger and larger wheels, it means we can deliver a solution to a couple of key problems. One is just structurally, it's very difficult to do this with aluminium wheels. And the second comes back to regulatory constraints around the mass of the vehicle and the weight classes that they have to meet. And then overriding factors include range extension. It's a lightweight efficiency technology that extends range. So those 3 factors are really driving a much quicker uptake than we'd probably expected at this time. So for FY23, there's really 3 key areas of focus. The growth in the programs that we've already got in production, including the Corvette and the 2 Ferrari programs that are ramping up. There's the delivery of new programs that we are launching through this financial year and doing that seamlessly. And then the third is around operating performance and driving those efficiencies, improving the contribution margin and our path to profitability on the same trajectory that we've closed out the previous year. And we're all very excited about the Mega Line coming on stream this year as well, which will really help in that regard.